Have you ever fallen to the floor during a game and felt sad or embarrassed? Or what about if your friends and family gave you a surprise and you were just so very happy? These are all emotions. But where do emotions come from? When we feel an emotion, we can have an emotional reaction, and changes in our body can occur, changes in our thinking can occur, and changes in our behavior may also occur. Scientists discovered that emotions can come from our thoughts, or they can be triggered unconsciously. When we are happy, we smile more. We may jump for joy and think happy thoughts. When we are sad, we cry. Or when we are angry, we may frown. Can you guess which part of the brain is responsible for emotions? It's called the amygdala. The amygdala is a tiny part of the brain shaped like an almond. So next time you feel happy or sad, now you know where these emotions come from. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this.